Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you all charging methods for your headphones XIAOMI Buds 3T Pro. And the first one is to use an adapter and USB-C cable. So just connect adapter to the power and USB-C cable to USB-C port on your charging case. And we can see LED light here, so it means that it's charging. Cool. Now, next one. You can use your phone. All you need to have is just a USB-C to USB-C cable. It looks like this. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. So just connect the USB-C cable to your phone and the second one to USB-C port. And we can also see LED light, so it means that it's charging. Also, this headphone support wireless charging. So you can use wireless charging station, and we should find a good position, and as you can see it works also. And of course reverse wireless charging from your phone, but your phone should have this technology. And we just put it here, and as you can see it also works. That's it, thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video, it's really important to us. See you later!